Hi, here's a quick guide on how to create orders on Proc360 and request quotes. So on your home page, click on create order here on the cart card, and it takes you to the cart page where you add items to cart. So we have add links to your cart. This is where you click when you have links to Chinese marketplaces like 1688, Alibaba, Pinduoduo, Taobao. If you don't have links, you could add pictures of items that you would like to buy, or you describe with text. Let's click on add items to cart. So I have my link. I just need to paste it here and add the quantity of items I would like to buy. So let's say I want to buy 5 pieces of this item. I just need to click the add button, which is the plus button here. I could also click here if I want to reduce it, right? Then I add the specification. So let's say I want to buy just 3 blue and 2 green. All right, then I click on save to cart. So this item has already been successfully saved to cart, and I would like to add more items. I just need to click on this button here, import items. Then I get to add different items, could be pictures, link, or text. So I could add as many items, kind of items as I want. So let me add another link item. So because I want to add more than one link, I don't need to start adding one link here again. I just need to click here to add a list of links I'd like to upload at once. So once I click here, I get to paste all my links that I have compiled from my Chinese marketplace. So I paste the link here and I click on save to cart. So all the links I just added have been saved to cart, but you can see that there are no specifications. So I will need to click on this edit button to add specifications and the quantity of what I want. So I click here and I could put 2 pieces and I could say 2XL each. 2XL blue color. Right, let's put 2XL blue color and hit save. So you see that the information has been updated, right? Right. So I could do the same for every other one here and just put purple. So you add the specification that is what you want to buy in this particular link. You could add sizes, you could add colors, you could add you know, weight or even height, depending on what you want. So we could say 2 millimeter wire, right? You could add just anything that you want to buy there that is present in that link. Okay, right. So I have successfully updated all the items, right? So I could add more items, and let's add a picture item. So I need to add the specification of what I want here. So I would say blue, black, and orange. So I add the quantity that I want 3 pieces of the item I want to buy. I click on upload image to upload the image of the item I want. Right. So I've successfully uploaded the image. I click on save to cart. You see that the item has been successfully added to cart. Let's add a text item. So click here, text, and I type in what I want. Let's say a blue trouser full of stripes from top to bottom. Okay, so I add the specification. So you can see here it's not complete. So the message has to be at least 50 characters. So I need to come back here and update it, right? And put enough information so that Proc360 recognizes what you are buying and can source properly. So a blue trouser full of stripes from top to bottom in, right? In full length or, depending on what you want to buy. So I'm just using this for a demo and it doesn't have to be, correct. So I'm going to add the specification. So I want 3 blue striped and 5 black striped. Then I add the quantity, that is 8 pieces. So I could add an image, that's if I have one, but if I don't, it's optional. So I just click on save to cart. So now that I have saved all my items to cart, let's create an order. So I select the items I want to create an order with, right? It's just simple. You just need to click the checkbox just by the left here and click on create order. So yes, create. So I type in my order title. So let's say my first order, right? How would I like to ship this order? Like maybe I want the order to go to be shipped to my location by air, or you could want sea, anyone, just pick the preferred route you would like. Then order description, how enter your order description here, something that helps you recognize what order this is as you're ordering so that you do not mix them up. So you could just put anything or leave it, blank and click on request quote. So I could just change here. You see that the order title, my first order, is already available, meaning I cannot use that title again. So I could just put clothes order. So you see, it's very important that you take note of all of these things and correct them accordingly. So let's request quote. And that's it. My order has been successfully created and I have requested for a quote. I still have items to cart so I could use them some other time. Thank you.